Why they cannot do? Because they got stuck in step 1. Now, if you got stuck in step 1, what does it mean? The whole thing you cannot do. 20 marks gone. Okay? So please make sure you know how to do step 1. What is step 1? Find missing information. What is the missing information? What are the 4 information you need? Selling price per unit, right? Selling price per unit. What else do you need? Total fixed cost. What else do you need? Variable cost per unit. What else do you need? Current unit sales. You need all 4 information. Find these 4 information from the case.
不是要拿你的 expected revenue 跟出你的那个performance 上。
I know most of you get stuck anyway. Yeah.
I'm not fun.
Good. Go ahead. Yeah, do it. Prove me wrong. Yeah. One of the 20% one. Yes. No, 你不要看他做，你自己做，你真的不会做的，你不会做的。
你说我那时候觉得，你的比较同意，不是我做的。
哦，OK， 你做过了。OK，sorry， 这样你会做了。OK，do。Total fixed cost 来。对，不过你还不要去这边先找那4个 information 从 case 里面找出来。知道就好咯。所以你整题不能做 ，then you get 0。That is the problem. Yeah. Okay, write down whatever you have first. What do you have? You have 1 figure. Out of this, what figure do you have?
Selling price.
Price per unit. Selling price per unit is 890. Yes. The rest you don't have. Total fixed cost don't have, isn't it? 0. Now the other, all this you need to find out. Yes. Find out from the rest of the information. You are also given, what are you given? Total variable cost. How much is it? 215,850. What else are you given? Revenue. Total revenue or total sales. Right? How much is it? 788,250. From total sales and selling price per unit, can you find quantity? You can find unit. Once you find unit, can you find variable cost per unit?
Yes.
There you go.
How do you find it?
Huh?
How do you find it?
Okay. Okay, I mean, total sales is actually
Divided by the price.
is price per unit times quantity, isn't it? The number of units you sold. So, what is price per unit is equal to, so price, unit price is equal to is total sales divided by quantity,
他们会只看
isn't it?
我去过来
So this one, what you need to do? Oh, sorry, I got it the other way around. Yeah. What is quantity? Yes. So quantity based on this, yeah. Total sales is equal to price per unit times quantity that you sold. So what happened to quantity? What is quantity? It is total sales divided by price per unit. Isn't it? Now can you find the quantity? What is the quantity? 88. Total sales is 788,250 by 890. So you get 88567 quantity. So your current sales quantity you already got. Current unit sales 88567. Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize. Okay, with this 88567, can you get variable cost per unit?
Yes.
Okay, do it.
How? Yes, sir.
Đấy吗？对啊，好厉害。
variable unit quantity 拿那个 total variable cost 除 quantity 咯因为变成 unit 了
Can？
Is it？
哇，2.44对了。Okay, you should get variable cost per unit is 2.44. You should be able to do that. Anybody cannot get that? Anybody that cannot get that? 2.44, can you get it?
Yes.
Okay, we are going to proceed. Huh? Can proceed? Huh? Okay? Can I? Okay, good. What is next step? Now, normally I say next step, calculate current profit, isn't it? But now we have to add in one more step because whether you like it or not, every time they ask for contribution margin and contribution margin ratio in percentage, they ask, okay, every time they didn't ask for this, but every time in the marking scheme, they give marks for this. So you need to come out with this, whether you like it or not. Although you are not going to use the information, you still need to come out with it. Calculate contribution margin and contribution margin ratio. Do that. What is contribution margin? What is contribution margin? Variable cost. 对。So, selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit is equal to contribution margin per unit. Got it? So, what is the selling price per unit? 8.9. Variable cost per unit 2.44. So it is equal to 56.46. Got it? Contribution margin ratio. You use 6.46 divide by selling price 8.9. So you get 72%, right? Yeah, 71.72%. 73, whatever. I mean because of rounding error. Now, if the question gives you different things, if they say the contribution, remember in one of the parts here, it gives you selling price, no, it gives you variable cost per unit, it gives you contribution margin per unit. Can you find out selling price? You should be able to, huh? Okay? Sure? If they give you selling price per unit, and contribution margin per unit, can you find out your variable cost per unit?
Yes.
Can also, huh? So you need, because step 1 is so important and any cases can happen, right? So I don't know if you cannot do the first step, the rest of the thing you cannot do. Clear? Okay? So, can I? Okay, after you calculate this, then you have to do second step, calculate current profit. Now you calculate. Use the magic formula, calculate current profit.